Happy Sunday! And guess what time it is? It's tea time, ladies and gentlemen. I've been doing some good old shopping at Ulta, one of my favorite places. Found some good deals too. If you're interested in that, stay tuned. Okay, now, tea time. Happy Sunday. And as I said already, I've been shopping. And I went to one of my favorite stores, which is Ulta. Found me some good finds. I went there, and I'm going to tell you how much I ended up spending. And I happen to have my glasses today. I ended up spending $65.60. All right. So anyway, the first thing that I want to show you that I found, well, first of all, let me tell you, my mindset going in, I wanted to find things so that I can start back taking care of my skin, okay? I have been slacking. Thank God I really don't have problematic skin, but I know it's not looking as good as it possibly could. So again, I needed to go and get back on my skincare regimen. The other thing, I needed to pick up a few makeup items, okay? So that's what I did. So the first thing that I want to show you I found, it's by the brand called Ordinary, okay? And it is a three container set. And it says acne, the acne set. And I don't have a lot of acne, true enough. But the thing is, it's got salicylic acid. And when I looked that up, it also helps to even out skin tone. It helps get rid of any like wrinkles and blemishes and marks and all that. And the uneven skin tone is something that I have an issue with. A lot of black women do, or black people, I should say. And so that gets that, you know, looking better. And also, even though I don't have a ton load of wrinkles and all that kind of stuff, I am 54 now. And so I want to push all that back, and maybe there's, you know, maybe a few little things that could be tweaked. So yeah, wanting to go with that. So it's got a, let's see, it's got a foam cleanser, and it's also got, and it says that is the prep, so gentle cleansing prep. And then it says treat for the treatment of acne. That's the salicylic deal in here. It's like little drops. I can actually show you that, or I could put it in a corner and show you what the actual container looks like. And also then it's got a immediate hydration seal afterwards. And all of that was $19.50, 60 cents, my bad. And so I've heard a lot about it, want to use it. And I do have one item from that brand anyway, but I have not used the whole, you know, like a lot. So that's number one. The other thing I picked up and found is this here mascara. This mascara I've been hearing a whole lot about. They sell it on Amazon. You know, they're saying that it really extends the lash and helps it look like you have far more lash than what you really do. And it wasn't highly expensive. If I can find it on the list, let me tell you how much it was. Okay, it is $4.99. That's not bad for some mascara. I've definitely spent more for mascara before, okay? All right, so that's number two. The next thing that I found is this finishing spray, okay? It says Dewy Coconut Setting Mist. It's by e.l.f. And I like that, you know, there's a good amount in there compared to the bottle that I was gonna pick up, the one by NYX. Now, I'm not shutting down NYX, like saying nothing negative or whatever, but you know, when you're counting your coins a little bit, you know, you go ahead and you check pricing and how much you're gonna get. And this was 50 cents more than the other one, but it's got more product. e.l.f. is not a bad name. It's not expensive. But just like NYX, it's one of those brands that you see people still buy and speak highly of. So, and plus I like the idea that it said it had the little coconut in there, so kind of moisturizing, right? So, the next thing, I went ahead and I got my NYX. I do love NYX. And this one is the NYX, it says Professional Makeup, the Marshmallow Primer. Now, I'm going to tell you about this Marshmallow Primer, something that I really do like about it. First of all, let me show you the other one that I normally get, okay? Okay. It's this one right here. I normally get that one by NYX instead of this one, but the Marshmallow Primer, it's got a whole lot of benefits. It had so many benefits. It's like 10 of them. It says it smooths the skin, it softens the skin, extends makeup for 16 hours, it hydrates, let's see, it soothes skin. So smooths, softens, and soothes. And then it evens the tone, minimizes the texture, it blurs lines, adds a soft focus finish, and keeps makeup fresh. And then it says it's 100% vegan and has no silicones. So this had a whole lot more benefits and pluses than this one did. This one is a plump right back, it says, with electrolytes. I have no problem with that. I used it. I would use it again. I'm just highly interested in seeing what this does. Okay? Okay, so let's see. The other thing I picked up, or one of the other things I picked up, is this Perfect Finish HD powder by e.l.f. Now, I saw one of the YouTube ladies that I watch applied this, and I wrote it down in my notes to pick up, and that was months ago. So anyway, this powder here, like I say, I wrote it down, and I wanted to get it, and so I finally did. What I noticed what they did, I think they put primer on first, then they put this on, and then sprayed it again, and then put the, what is it called, foundation on. I'm gonna go back and watch a video and see. But anyway, one of these days, soon enough, I'll do my whole makeup deal, and I would have watched, and we can go from there, okay? So that's the, oh, my bad. It's a translucent powder, okay. All right, and the very last thing, it is a Instant Lift Brow Pencil. And it too, I believe, is by e.l.f. Yes, it is. And I got it in the color deep brown. It was only $3. As you see, oh, I got two pair of shades or glasses on. As you see up here, like I don't really have much eyebrow. This is something that I doctored up before I decided to film. But anyway, I'm hoping that this is a winner because it's only $3 and I don't like a whole bunch, you know, on there. Not that it doesn't look cute on some other folks. Number one, I don't know how to do it. Number two, I'm a little bit afraid of it. So anyway, I'm hoping this cuts the mustard. But anyway, so that concludes my list of items. Me greeting at Ulta. Like I said, I spent $65.60. Had fun today. And y'all come back and see me again. I'm here every Sunday. If you have not yet, please subscribe. And if there's something that you want me to do a video of, how about you tell me that in the notes, in the comments section. And you know, maybe I can go ahead and do that and I'll shout your name out too. All right? Bye for now. See you next time. Bye-bye.